everyone, sorry for the bad view, but today we are going to be cleaning this Super Deluxe fan I just found from the chest like 5 minutes ago. Just got it inside. Let me see if this runs. Plug it in. Okay. This is broken, it doesn't click, it just moves like this. Let's see, so model 16 inch, that's it says 16 inch, but model C-161. Oh, it's not made in China. I forgot what this word is. I think it's made in Indonesia. I think that's how you pronounce it. Indonesia. Super Deluxe. It says it on the switch plate, but let's see if it works. Let's turn it to low. Works fine. Summer. I'm saying not much of the summer found fans will work, but this one does. Medium. It's quite dirty, so today we're going to be cleaning it. Hi, this is actually blowing a ton of air. Turn it off. Bearings sound dry, but so I think I'm gonna have to oil them with my dad. Yeah, it's a poor view. I can't get a good view. I had to make like a sculpture again. But this is the best I can get. Yeah, it's poor still though. It's poor. You can see. This is what I built. This is the whole fan if you wanted to see. This is the whole fan. But I'm just gonna put it back up here. Okay, just unplug it and take it apart. Because it's really dirty. Have my cardboard over there. Okay. Oh, these clips come off easily. Stay up. Okay. I'm guessing this will just something stuck. There we go. These blades feel pretty free. They actually feel like they could use oil. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this can use oil. Has like a weird force when I stop it. Put this girl over here, it's pretty dirty. Let's see if I can loosen them out. Oh darn. Okay. Has a nubby fin. These are hard. Okay. Putting this blade back on, you guys, because those fins are horrible. Those fins are horrible. Okay. I don't know how to get those fins off, so they're hard to get on, so we're not going to use cleaner today, I guess. Only on the front grill. So I'm gonna get a rag. Guess what? I'm gonna do separate rags. So I'll start with one for the blade. Yeah. Sadly, I'm not gonna really mess with it so much like I would do. I'm gonna start with the back. Just make sure it has a shiny look to it. Just makes. Now to the side. It's just dust that comes off easily, I'm glad. Okay. This was the one I did, I'm pretty sure. Or was it this one? I can't tell now. The bearings just don't sound the best. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah, this was the one I'm pretty sure I ripped off the back on. Now I'll do this one. I'll just stuff the cloth like this. And then slowly remove the blade so it gets wiped on the back. Now wipe off the side, because that's dirty. Was this the one I already cleaned? Nope. I just started with a random blade. Okay. Oh, this is out of camera, I'm sorry. Okay. Wait, I think I didn't get the side of this one. Okay, they're all cleaned up on the back decently. If they're still, oh. It has a nubby fit on the shaft. That's why I'm definitely not gonna mess with it that much. Now we're just wiping off the front. This will turn out good. You know what? I'm gonna get a paper towel and spray some cleaner on it. Here's a paper towel. I'm gonna spray a tiny bit of cleaner on it. Okay. That's a tiny bit. Just to make it more clean. Yep, this is getting off dust. That's as far as we're going on this because it has the nubby thing. Oh yeah, Super Deluxe did the nubby thing. But look at that, you guys. That tells me that this is a true dirty fan. This is a bunch of hard-on dust. This dust is on there pretty well. This definitely looks better. This definitely looks better. Wipe it off more until this just gets good. Scratch those off. Actually, I'm going to do it with a rag for the next blade. A clean one. I guess that's as good as I can get it. I'm not going to mess around with taking the blade off. Now there's a clean one and a dirty one spinning around. Because it does seem to spin free. Maybe one day with my dad, we'll do that. I'm going to do a press rag. Not that one. Okay. I guess I'll get the cleaning. Okay. Hopefully this won't. Aislinn, upstairs, okay? Why? I don't want them hearing your iPad. Upstairs. I would let you down if they wouldn't be able to hear your iPad. Okay. Put cleaner on the rag. Let's wipe off this blade. These blades are not flexy. Dad, the blade has a fin on the shaft that it's not really, you shouldn't really remove off the blade.
What's that?
It has a fin on the shaft that you shouldn't remove the blade from, so I'm not.
Let me see.
It has like a, let me show you, it's like a nubby thing. People always say you shouldn't remove the blade when they have these fins on the shaft. That.
It's fine.
It's hard to get back in.
No, it's not. Hold the housing. Hold it.
I am. There we
That's
go.
not hard to get back in.
I just wiped the back.
It's just key. It's
I
key.
think it needs oil. The bearings sound dry when it's running.
Okay.
The bearings are dry, so I think we should drop some 3-in-1.
We'll take care of that later, okay?
The bearings are dry. They need
We'll take care of that
oil.
later, okay?
Okay. The bearings are quite dry. When I'm done cleaning it and I run it, I'll show you because they are dry.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna run out of storage or not. I can just delete some videos that I have for no reason and make a part 2. It's dusty. Seems to be fine. I'm just gonna wipe off the blade with the rag one more time, because I already did good doing stuff with it. The last blade, right here. Actually, I feel like I should let them dry now instead of reassembling them. Alright, so that's gonna go and dry. Okay. There you go. Move the box a bit. There we go. Okay. Where's the bag? Fine. Okay, let's start with the back wheel. I have the blade drying. Wait. I'm actually gonna put the blade over here. Because I did get corner on it. Where's the corner? Here it is. Okay. Oh, this hair tangled all in here. Should have bent too, but it's okay. There's a bunch of hair over here. Ew. Definitely wiping off this part. But that part went crazy. Not. There we go. I'll get paper towels for these soon. They put on. Once I wipe off this front wheel. I've always liked these Super Deluxe fans. Get that Super Deluxe bag. It's nice and clean. Okay, make sure it's nice and clean. Get that Super Deluxe bag so it's cleaner. I'll make a video of reassembling it too, but I'm not going to do that today. Get inside that logo. I think that's good. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll make a video of reassembling it. Bye!